Well, when they do plow, they plow us in. So being in a cul-de-sac, they don't plow that. So I always end up plowing it out.
So how are people going to get out of here?
Hopefully they got a four-wheel drive.
How long have you lived here, and when was the last time you had a storm like this?
We've been here 10 years, and I think it was about 2 years ago we had another one like this. So.
You looking forward to any more, or are you done for the year?
Nope, I'm done. I like it when it rains. It's easier to shovel.
I'm a good Samaritan.
How's that?
Like, snow's too deep. I make sure people get out, get food, stay warm.
How long have you lived here, and when was the last time you've had storms like this, and are you already too tired of it?
I've lived in Rapid City for about 6 years.
Yeah.
Can never get too tired of the cold. Can never get too tired of the snow. I like big storms. We need the moisture. So it's all good for me.
All right, how long are you going to be out here doing this? You pretty much done? It's going to be middle time then?
No, I'll probably be out here for a couple more hours, helping out. I still got to do all around here, do our sidewalks, do a couple friends' houses, and make sure they get out.